Hey YouTube, today I have the Philips fabric shaver. It's a nice cool device that helps you remove fabric from sweaters and socks and stuff like that and makes them look a bit more new than they are. So it's from Philips. The good thing is that it takes two AA batteries that are included in this box. And the back, it's in French. I believe there's some instructions the side. So let's open the box up to see what's in the box. So we have the device itself and the batteries and some instructions. So it also has this cap on top, and this thing rotates like that. It looks like it's going to be very simple to use as an on-off button. And let's put in the batteries. Now, as I said in my other videos where I present electronic devices, it's good if you have an electronic device that you're not using on a daily basis, that you remove the batteries once you're done using it. Otherwise they will oxidize inside. So let's take this off. Oh, and this thing moves quite fast. So we're going to have a test now. I'm going to have my sweater here. But there are lots of small round thingies here that make the sweater look old. Old is not very old. Anyway, so we're going to use this device here. Let's see if that removes them. As you can see, in fact, it looks a bit better, and it has already collected some of the fabric, or the excess fabric. Of course, it's going to take a lot of work to do the whole sweater. I believe that it's about full, so now we have to kind of empty this thing up. So to wrap it up, this thing does work. On the downside, it does take some effort to do just one shredder. I've just emptied this canister twice, so it does all take a lot of fabric out. But it does work. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.